Good afternoon, guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Today I'll be making some shrimp curry. This is a Sri Lankan spicy shrimp curry, but this is the Sinhalese food. So basically the ingredients what you need for this dish is about 500 grams of shrimp. I cleaned it, I deveined it, and about 67 pots of tamarind, which is the siambala. You put some water and you just mash it up. So you got the siambala here, and then you need a half an onion, 3 garlic, 2 chili, curry leaf, few pandan leaves, which is the ramba, and then 3 to 4 small sticks of cinnamon, and about 12 to 15 of the peppercorns, fenugreek seed. I have here is the Goraka. So basically I put in the water so it's softer for me to grind it. And also you would need turmeric powder, plain chili powder, tuna, and some salt and some oil. So right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the onion, putting it into my mortar. You could either use this or a grinder, either one of them works. You put the garlics, the chili. So basically I'll be adding the cinnamon and the pepper and the Goraka, and I'm going to put it into the mortar. I'm going to paste it. So let me go ahead and paste it, and then I'll get back to you guys soon. Okay guys, so basically I grinded it, the onion, garlic, chili, black pepper, cinnamon, and the Goraka. I made it to a paste. So basically what I'm going to be doing right now is I take my shrimp, dump it in my pot here, and I'll be adding the paste, the fenugreek seed, and the pandan leaf, and the curry leaves all together here. And I will be adding about that much of turmeric and about 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and about half teaspoon of tuna. Then I got my salt here. So I'll be adding about, well, you can put the salt as, as your taste. So basically I'm putting about half a teaspoon here, well, maybe a little bit more than half a teaspoon. And then right now I'm just going to be removing the pods from the tamarind, and I'll be adding the juice to this. And you would need about a cup and about a cup of water. Throw that in, just maybe less than a cup, and then mix this together, mix it up. So basically what I'm going to be doing is putting this on high heat, let it boil. So let this boil up, and I'll get back to you. So my curry, it's actually started to boil. So remove the lid. See, it's boiling now. So let it boil on high heat. So I let it boil for about 3 minutes on high heat. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put the heat down to medium. You can either have the lid on or off, but I would have it on for another couple of minutes. So basically I'm going to let it cook for about another 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. So it's been boiling for about 7 to 8 minutes now. It's almost done. So basically it's you can have it if you want it more thicker. Just keep it on the stove for another 5 to 10 minutes. But if you're happy with the gravy and the consistency of it, you can remove it and you can serve it. So this is the final, and it tastes really good. You should try it. And if you guys liked my video, please subscribe, and if you guys really liked my curry, please hit like. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.